like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DVCraft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper snail. So let's get started. First we will take a circle and fold it in half. And let's keep it aside. And again take a circle and a sketch pen. On that we will draw spiral shape. So let's draw it. Let's take orange color crayon and do it like this way. And spread with fingers. Now let's take it here. Let's take glue and stick it. Here I have taken two strips and eyes, so let's stick it. First we will stick these strips. And on that we will stick this eyes. Now let's keep this glue aside and take a sketch pen and draw a smile. And our snail is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.